20-inch bar.
Cut this 2-foot tree like it was butter. I reckon aim to a cheap good saw. Looking for one. Link for Amazon will be in the description. So have fun cutting.